All right, y'all, I just signed the logbook. I guess I could have put it for tomorrow, for the 21st. I might change that in the morning, but anyway, it's cool. I'm the only Sobo on here. To Patagonia. So I've got this nice little area right here. I'm gonna show you the tarp tent set up. So I think maybe I'll do it from this angle for the lighting. How about that? How about that? So it's been a little while since I've put the tarp tent up, but oh well, gotta pull the trigger, pull the band-aid off some point. So I've got the Black Diamond female, the women's hiking poles I just got, and I do not have the Tyvek. I don't feel like carrying it, and I know that once I'm laid down, especially on my my self-inflating sleeping pad, I'm pretty confident that I'm not going to be like moving around a lot in the middle of the night. Now, if I had a dog or something in the tent, I would definitely want to get Tyvek, especially for under here, but I'm just going to be careful. I was thinking a little bit about the cacti too, like if those would affect it at all, but I think it'll be okay. So wow, it still has leaves in it. Oh, it stinks. Yeah. I know that these need to be on 125, I believe. This thing's like a palace.
pass you on the way out.
No.
Are you coming from the north?
No. I'm actually I'm hiking the trail in the morning. But
Oh, you just starting?
Yeah, I'm starting tomorrow.
Cool.
I'm only doing I'm doing 55 miles.
How far is that to? Mount?
To Patagonia.
Oh, so you are going to go south.
I'm going south.
I'm going to Patagonia.
Oh yeah, good. That is south, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That was the way I was going to start walking.
Yep. That'll take you out to Twin Lakes will be your next water on the other side of that mountain.
Twin Lakes, next water, other side of the mountain. About how many miles is that?
Oh, geez, I said it came 18. I've got 2 more miles to go, so it's 10 miles, and it's 2 miles past there, so it's probably 7 miles from here.
Oh, okay. So I'll
you'll come to the top, and as you walk down, you'll see this big, huge cow tank. In fact, you're minutes away from having a gentleman and a lady are going to be hiking through, and then just maybe a half hour later, there's a single guy, and I stopped and talked to the single guy, and he said the water tastes. He said it's fine.
Okay, cool.
Because he said that I asked him if he'd met up with the couple, and he says, yeah, we met at the water tank.
Is it good to have like a scoop for water, like out here? Like, is that?
I have done any through hiking.
Yeah.
What do you have?
I mean, I have a water filter and I have a bag, but I'm just wondering if I should.
Like the
bottom of it.
The pond is it's a lake. It's a small lake.
Okay.
You can go to that.
Okay. Cool.
Past that, I really don't know much.
Okay.
Much past. Oh my gosh, we got another mountain biker too.
Hello. Very cool. Hi.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Team Pearl Zoomy.
Yep.
Yeah. So anyway, I hiked the Appalachian Trail last year, and I just got out on the West Coast a couple months ago. And so I figured get out, do this section, and get content.
It really is, and I'll tell you, one of the prettiest sections, if you get done with this and you want more to do, is Picket Post. It's in Superior, Arizona.
Okay.
It's about 2 hours from Tucson, about 2 hours from my house.
Like which direction?
It's north of Oracle Road.
Oh,
It's
okay.
Oracle Road up to Winkleman over to Highway 60, and then back to the west 11 miles to Picket Post. From there down to the Gila River, we just did a trail seminar. I'm with the Arizona Trail Association. We just did a trails skill building seminar this weekend up there, and that's just
Yeah, very cool.
This is a neat trail, though. You'll get up in towards I want to say Wrightstown Mountain Wilderness, and that's really beautiful up out of Gardner Canyon. You're going to hit Kentucky Camp, which is a old mining, 100-and-something-year-old mining town, and they've been refurbishing it. There's a camp host there. There's toilets. There's water there. You'll get to Rosemont Junction next. After Rosemont, you'll get into Gardner Canyon. You'll pass by Graterville. Don't know what the signage is. You're going to Patagonia, so you'll get to Kentucky Camp about 2 days before you get to Patagonia. It's about 2 days the side. I don't hike, and I've never ridden that far, but I got to say you'll make it in less than a day, probably a 2-day hike from here to Kentucky Camp. And you know what? You can ask these people that are coming through about Kentucky Camp.
Perfect.
How long it took them to get down.
Cool.
All right, you have a great
Yeah,
evening.
thanks. It was nice to meet you. Thank you for the insight.
Yep.
That was pretty cool. That is good enough for me. So then these get staked down too, down to here, on both sides, and it looks like I'm missing one stake, but I can stake one side together since it's only me. So there you have it. The tarp tent setup and the awesome southbound information. So that's what's, I forgot all about how incredible it is to just talk to people out on the trail and get their take on everything. So that was hopeful. If hopefully you heard all of that. And oh my gosh, look, and there's water sitting right here. Look at this. This is trail magic right here. Check it out. Public. Pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna tear down right now and get over to the van before the sun goes down and hopefully get a nice little dinner cooking and watch this gorgeous sunset. So over and out for now. Rogue on the trail. Love y'all.